moving some cars. We got a RZR, I think it is, 1000cc side by side coming for the COVID 500 track. So should be good. So we'll move some cars, eh? Our pile is getting bigger. So we have a dead pile, spare penny wagon. I think that's dead pile. No, this must be dead pile. That's good pile. Oh, I need to go a bit further forward, don't I?
A little bit.
Soz.
Don't worry.
So we got a new tow point too. The other one we went around. The other one we went around the windscreen. This one around the bonnet. Worked really well. Hasn't snapped off yet, so we're on to a win. Still towing. Oh, I just started filming it too. Unheard of. Why would that even break? Dang it, I was trying to avoid those jolts too.
It's gone.
It's gone completely. I was waiting for it to break and puncture my rear window. So we're doing another bit of an average tow. This time from a bit of timber, because we didn't have a bit of chain again. Doing it. Aha, didn't break where we broke the other one. So it might be stronger than the bonnet latch lockdown bit. Weird. And what have we got here? This looks like a bit of a party. That's sweet. And this is what we race around COVID 500 track. Yeah, so work mate, he's brought it around and yeah, it's got a full cage and everything in it, which is probably good for safety. And we'll see what it's like around the track. It'll probably be real smooth compared to the cars. I've never driven one, never even really seen one. So this is a 1000 Polaris, I don't know what year. And it's better than I can tell you. Poor AU. Need to fix you. Yeah, definitely quicker through the bush, I reckon. I reckon he'll shave 5 seconds off maybe, or... Will he commit? Oh, he's gone long! You a bit nervous, Dan?
Let's go easy on it. Yeah.
I think I got that on film. Hold this. Not bad, Dan, but you looked a bit quicker in the EL Falcon. Meanwhile, he's got the big girl up and running. Must be trying two-wheel drive. What you done here, Matt? Give her an eco tickle.
Give us some? Yeah.
Eco tickle it. Warmed up.
Surely we try to drive it.
Surely. In the wrong spot.
There's absolutely nothing wrong with it.
Give us your thoughts.
Sick.
Excellent news. I can't see anything.
Sorry.
Really got some poke in her.
That was pretty aggressive.
Give her. Grab second. Grab second. Second. You want a pot?
Oh,
Oh.
ain't talking. talking.
We're sorted.
He was asking if it's still run. I was like, I don't know. And then it started.
Did that have a good battery in it?
Yeah.
This guy's never been to like a paddock basher race or anything. Get high gear smoke.
You're cooked.
No, it's not. It's perfect.
Just got to cool down.
Classic 79 owner. He's like, that thing had some power. Oh, we'll take out for a first run there, excellent.
Oh, that guy, yeah.
Surprisingly get dirty real fast just from driving on a dirty track. And that thing's sick. Got a bit of a clunk. It's dead. It made a bit of a clunk.
And it wasn't us.
And yeah, I wasn't driving, neither was Dan. So happy about that. Hey, so this is a good time. It was sick. Thanks, Dan, for that. And you're right to fix it. Normally I gotta fix it. So could be a belt, but it does sound a bit clunky. So I don't know. That sucks. Sorry, Dan. But that was a sick time. Bit of a random video, but I've never been in one, so that was sick. Cheers for watching. Hit subscribe. Merch. There'll be a store soon for Bobby McBoos. Get around it. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers, guys. Watch the AU. Oh, that's got noises.
The old diff crap you got on the pull.
I'm super happy I wasn't driving.
Don't feel mate.
Hey Dan, these have a cruiser diff in them.
Must be a 3-inch pinion.